After you hit your CodeSpark link on Clever, it should take you to this page here. When you're on this page, you will go up to Schools and click on this little school here. When you get to this page, we'll go over to the Student Ninja and click on that. When we get to this page, we will go to Use Classroom Code and click on that. And when we get to this page, your teacher is going to give you a code to put in. I have a different code. Make sure you use your teacher's code. After you make sure that your code is good and that your code is perfect, make sure you hit the white check mark. It takes different amounts of time for everybody's screen to load. When you get to this page, you should see your teacher's name here. I'm in Yetzer's class right now, but you should see your teacher's name. If you see two teachers here, make sure you have selected your teacher's name. And then on this page, go down. Well, sometimes you might not need to go down, but find your name and select your name. So I am test user. So I need to go down to test user and I select test user. On this page, we are going to decorate our foo. The beginning one, I pick my foo's face, pick my foo's color, pick my foo's hair, pick my foo's eyebrows or mustache or other things, pick my foo's clothes, pick accessories for my foo, and on this last one, I pick my foo's profile. You will have 5 minutes to do all of those things. At the end of 5 minutes, you will need to make sure you are on this picture here because that allows your white check mark to be there. And everyone will hit the white check mark at the end of 5 minutes when your teacher tells you to. On this screen, we are going to create a name for our foo. We're going to take 1 minute to do this. So we hit the dice here and it shuffles it to make a new name. And right now it says Caden Waffledoofer. I'm just going to leave it as that. If I hit the back arrow, it goes back to the previous one. Darius Frenchper. Actually, I'll take that one. And at the end of a minute, when your teacher tells you to, hit the white check mark. When you get to this page, you are going to have to create a password and show that you know that password. So you have to do the password twice. So first, you want to make sure that you do the first two things in your password exactly the same. That makes it easy to remember. So I'm going to go star and then star. So I'm going to go star and star as soon as I find the other star. So star, star, and then it won't let me do three. I'll do star, star, banana. So the first time I put in my password, I'm telling CodeSpark, hey, this is what I want my password to be. I hit the check mark. And then when I get to here, I want to put in, CodeSpark's going to ask me, hey, do you remember your password? And I need to put in the same thing that I just put in. So I need to put star, come on, star, then my other star, and then I need to put banana. So star banana. This is me proving I know my password. Then I hit the check and it will let me in. Now it will let me right into CodeSpark. And this is what CodeSpark looks like. I access my levels right down here, my very first one. You will get into that next time, or maybe the time after that. We will see.